So hey everybody. So right now I am making authentic Italian sausage and peppers. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So as I make my family dinner, you guys are going to come along for the ride. So in this pan right here, I have sauteed onions, garlic, and two of my favorite seasonings of all time. Hope you can see that. Lawry's seasoning pepper, if you could find it. This stuff is hard to find. And then Lawry's seasoning salt. The two best seasonings that I have ever had. I'm not getting paid to say that. These are just things that I grew up with, and I've continued to use them. So what I'm doing is sauteing the onions and the garlic. Over here is my sausage. You guys can see the sausage. These are Italian. These are sweet sausage. Usually I use hot sausage, but they didn't have any. These come from Aldi. They're never frozen. They're fresh, and they're really good. So I have added Italian seasoning, which is my blend in this container. This is a Smart & Final container, but this is my blend that I do from herbs and things that I grow. So it's really not Smart & Final, it's really mine, and it's awesome. I also, when I don't have fresh oregano, Watkins dried oregano. To that, I am going to add my peppers. So I have, these are all sweet peppers. I hope you guys can see this. I know there's a lot of steam. I'm just adding these to the pan here. So some places in Italy, they add potatoes, and you could totally add potatoes if you want. My family is from Santa Croce Camarina in Sicily, and they didn't cook them with potatoes there, so I don't. I am going to add some more butter. Sorry that I'm kind of walking away. Let's put the butter in there. There you go. Okay. So you can add olive oil instead of butter. It will turn out the same. My family likes butter. I also like olive oil, and the best olive oil, believe it or not, is from Mexico, Ensenada. I'll show you the bottle. So this is what I use. Santo Tomas extra virgin olive oil. We just ordered a couple more bottles. We went to Ensenada, Mexico, a year and a half ago, I guess. And we bought a few of them, and then our friend, who was driving back and forth to see his family, would buy us more. So he's here permanently, so we've had to buy this olive oil. It tastes so much like fresh olives. It's unbelievable. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? How pretty that is? Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? And then here is my sausage. Sausage. Okay. There we go. Too much steam where I had the phone. So that's what it looks like. And you just want to cook it down until the peppers are soft, the onions are soft, and all the flavors combine, and it's aromatic and beautiful. These are the peppers that I used, and these are the mini peppers, and there was no green peppers in here. So this was on sale at Aldi. Normally I would buy the full size, a couple of green, a couple of red, and a couple of yellow peppers, and add this. So we have a family of 3, and this looks like a lot for a family of 3, but for my family it isn't. I have 2 hungry guys, but if you do have any leftover, what my family used to do is cook some potatoes in the morning, add this, and scramble it with eggs, and it is so good. So good. We used to look forward to that. Every time that my mom would make sausage and peppers, and my family started selling sausage and pepper hot dogs. They used to put the sausage and peppers on hot dogs, just regular hot dogs, not Italian sausage, and made a living off of that for many years. And it was an awesome recipe, and this is the same recipe that I'm using now. So along with the Lawry's seasoned pepper, the Lawry's seasoned salt, that it was the same. So I am doing this. What I'm going to do after this is all done, I have some rolls. These were also on sale, I think for 99 cents at Aldi. Everything I'm making is very budget friendly, especially right now, you know, with stuff going on. We want to watch our money and get the most out of it that we possibly can to feed our family. So I'm trying to make the most fresh foods that I can. I have plenty of canned meats, plenty of canned vegetables and everything like that. But I have 2 freezers full of meat and vegetables and things like that, along with my canned stuff. So I really want to use that stuff up first. And I don't want to go anywhere for the next couple weeks. So, except for maybe eggs and milk, not even bread. I think I'm just going to make bread when I'm out. We've got 2 loaves in the freezer. I think I'm just going to start making bread. So this, let's see, I'm going to stir it, make sure you guys can see it. This smells so good. Okay, so I got my tripod and it's not working really well. There we go. Okay. You just want to, there we go. Just want to cook this until all the flavors are blended, the onions are cooked, the peppers are cooked, the garlic combined. It smells so good, guys. I'm sorry for the bad videotaping. It keeps moving on me. I have to get used to this tripod. There we go. So the sausage are cooking, and I have them cooking in water right now. And if I put them on high, they'll probably cook a little bit faster. Yes. Usually I cover them too. These are fully cooked already, because they've been steaming for a little bit. So these are good. Usually I just brown them, and you know, because you want to see brown sausage, and the water will evaporate, and then they'll become brown on all sides, and they're awesome. Okay, so back to the sausage and peppers, because this is the main show for tonight. There we go. I think you guys can see that. This smells so good. If you have fresh basil, you can put it in here, fresh oregano. That would be awesome. So my peppers are spitting at me. Okay, that's what it looks like, guys. And I'm just going to put it on a toasted roll. One of these rolls, I'm going to put butter on both sides and the inside, and then toast it, and put the sausage on, put some sausage and peppers on it, and some spiced mustard, and it's awesome. So if you want a quick meal and a not expensive meal, this is really good. And like I said, great for leftovers, because you can do this with eggs in the morning, and it is awesome. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please hit that thumbs up so I know that you're here, and leave any comments. I will get back to you. I read all of my comments, and I respond all the time. And hit that bell, because you're going to be notified of all of the videos that I put up. And we're going to be doing a big giveaway when I reach 4,500 subscribers. I have gotten over 100 subscribers just in the last week, and I'm really happy, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'm going to be giving away some really good stuff, so we're going to wait just a little bit because of everything that's going on. And when I reach 4,500, we're going to be giving away some really good stuff. So stay tuned, hit the bell, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up and leave a comment, guys. Okay, I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.